battery working?
It does that when you charge them.
Yeah, you missed my backing in skills.
Well, you can get in here and back ours in.
Oh, this one's easy. It's big and long.
That's what she said. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is Friday, March 12th.
Right.
Which is Tank's birthday, by the way.
Yeah, we sure do miss him.
And we just pulled into Delaware State Park for the weekend. We booked this trip about 2 hours, 3 hours ago, something like that. It should be a good time. And Wade, actually, he slept during the drive, but since we pulled into the park and got water, he's been up kind of walking around, which is rare for the vehicle. But yeah, so welcome back. We are camping this weekend with Andrea's brother. They're coming here. They bought a camper last mid-summer or so, toward the end of the summer.
Actually, their first camping trip with their camper was the weekend we got Wade.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So it was the end of August.
We camped at Allen Creek that weekend.
Yeah.
And then also we had some couple subscribers stopping by. They're going to camp with us as well. And then also, true to their name, the Wandering Wagners, Mike and Lynn, they diverted from where they were going to go and decided to stop in here and camp with us. So we are about to pull into the site, and actually I see them right there.
Yep.
But that's pretty much it. I don't know how much we'll shoot at the park because we've been here a couple times and it's so close to home for us. We'll be here a couple more times, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But you know, I don't want to overshoot it, but you know, it's kind of something we just want to show it, I guess, show a little bit of it.
Your sweat yet, Dave?
I'm about to back in there right now. We hit the cul-de-sac and saw her brother and was talking to him for a second.
Okay, yeah, we're in site 69.
Nice.
Yeah, all right.
We're in 67. I see you. We're right off your front door here. Okay, here's our site at Delaware State Park. This is number 67, and it's kind of a narrow site. It looked really nice on the reservation website. I could tell it was narrow, but it looked a little nicer than what it is, at least in March. Not a whole lot of room once the slide's out, but that's okay. Picnic table's there. This is one of the ones that a lot of the usable space is in actually, the back of where your back of your camper would be. It's not bad. A lot of these sites are wet this weekend. Some of them are almost, not the sites necessarily, like anywhere near the pad, but some of the outer area of the sites were underwater. This is a 50 amp hookup or 30 amp, either one. It was level left to right, and then the front to back was off just a little bit. I think it was less than an inch or so, if I remember right. But this is it. Number 67. I think it's a 45-foot pad. Hey everyone, we're going to do something we have not done on the channel before, and that's do an unboxing video. I actually started to do one time, and it was actually on the TPMS, and I'll roll a clip of that right now to show you how I unbox that. Okay, so let's get this thing unboxed. We'll do a quick unboxing. Okay, so we got it open. Okay, so that was pretty easy to get that unboxed. So we're going to shoot a full unboxing video right now of this pizza. this is pretty nice. I mean, it came from Meyer. It tells you the style, which is Detroit, and it says it right here on the front. You know, big letters. I mean, you can clearly see that it's pepperoni and cheese. That was pretty nice of them to put this window on the outside of it, so you can see right in there. In case you're wondering, and you don't have to look very far, you can see 14 to 17 minutes, which is great. You know, the baking trays included. Just moving around the outside of the box, it had the price tag. That was nice to know. And then this barcode was very nice and conveniently located. So when Andrea checked out, she was able to scan this and put it in the cart real quick, not wasting a bunch of time. So it actually has a barcode on each side, actually. So no matter which way you grabbed it out of the cart, you could scan it really easy and just get it, you know, get on your way. The back of it has the instructions, the ingredients. It's conveniently located right here, very large in the back. It's easy to see. So let's go ahead and open this up. I mean, they made it. If you're hungry, I mean, this is quick. You can get right to it. It's got its own little tray. It comes out, and I mean, this is going to be really nice. They make sure to tell you not to eat this without cooking it to ensure your safety. So that's nice of them to put that on there. Conventional heat, oven to 425. So you know, 14 to 17 minutes. And I mean, it has 4 steps. It's really not that big a deal to cook this. I mean, they made it very nice on all the instructions on the box. So you know, I would just based on how this is, I mean, I would recommend this so far. Let me just open it up real quick. Just get that started. And this plastic tears pretty easy. I mean, the only thing I'll kind of give it a negative on is, this might be on us though, is all the pepperoni's on one side right now. But I think that just may be because we've moved it around a little bit, so I'll have to spread these out. But I can't really fault the company for that though. I mean, they we'll just spread these out and, you know, go from there. So we've already got the oven preheated, or heated as I would call it. There's no really such thing as preheating. You're either heating it or you're not. Just no preheating. So we'll go ahead and get this put in and we'll let you know how it goes. So thanks for watching this unboxing video.
Alright, so we're going to see how this Detroit style pizza came out.
It's been 14 to 17 minutes.
It's been 14 to 17 minutes on 425.
Ooh,
look at that.
Man.
It's about right to me. How's that look? Does it look good?
I mean, we'll have to cut into it and see, but...
Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna let it cool for a second.
That's probably a good idea. It probably says that on the box.
It probably does.
I'll take the middle piece. Oh, you're kind of smaller. You can have the outside.
Okay.
Oh, Jack.
What?
You just made it so they all have a crust end. There's no middle pieces now.
There are no middle pieces.
Oh my, you ruined it.
More for me.
It's ruined. What is this?
Oh, the stalkers.
Spotted in the wild. Rolling with the Bolins.
Killer dog.
What you doing, Diesel? How are you, buddy? Haven't seen you in a while.
You got a camera on my face.
I kind of feel out of place because we're the only ones here with no Jeep.
Well, we can change that.
We don't have a Jeep. Figured you guys would be out doing Jeep things together.
We're about to.
Yeah.
We're gonna go on those trails we just
Oh, yeah. Well, they're wide enough. All right, so that wraps up the weekend here at Delaware State Park.
Yeah.
And we like this park.
And it was about a perfect weekend.
Yeah, it's hard to beat this one. It was nice during the day, and the evenings weren't really that cold. And we built a fire last night with the Wagners, and had a good time. We had a cameo appearance from Tony and Jill from Rolling with the Bolins.
And Diesel.
And Diesel, their dog. And we met them. That kid was gonna run across the road. We met them about. It's probably close to 2 years ago now, when we were camping at Allen Creek.
Yeah, it's one of our first trips out,
And,
I think.
they've been out west quite a bit. They're full time, and hadn't had a chance to run into them again. So they were in the area and stopped by to see us and the Wagners. And I think they stopped by to see the Wagners, and we were just
Yeah, just happened to be here.
guilty by association. So thanks, Tony and Jill, for stopping by. It's good seeing you guys. And we camped with Jennifer and Jason, who are subscribers of ours. They actually live close to us, and they met us here. And what else? That's pretty much it. We did
My
some
brother
hiking.
and sister-in-law were
Oh
here.
yeah. Why do I keep forgetting them?
Excuse me. Yeah, we hung out with them and their kids and had a good time. And you know, when we were kids, we always grew up and camped together. And Mom was saying the other day, she's like, I never in a million years would have thought you guys would both end up with campers and still camping together. So I guess we started family traditions when we were young.
They have a pop-up, and I'm telling you, they figured out some efficiencies really quick on how to haul bikes for all four of them. They had scooters for the kids.
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of stuff that you wouldn't. I don't know how
Kids' toy stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, they have as much stuff as we do, it seems like.
But yeah, it's great, you know, just carrying on the tradition and still camping with them and meeting new friends along the way. And you know, it's never boring. We always have a great time and love getting out, and you go to the same park 10 times and still have a different experience.
We like Delaware. It's so close to home for us, and it's a nice, like, I don't think we've ever had to level the camper side to side in this park. It's just one of those places that a lot of the sites are pretty private. They have, you know, right now you can kind of see between the trees because there's no leaves on, but in the summer you can't. And it's just a nice place. So that's it. We booked a couple places in April, and thanks for following along.
Yeah, thanks for following, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Gotta dump these tanks.
It doesn't work. I'm too short.
You're too short.
I can't even do it with my knees.
It's for kids.
Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Man.
Did you get that?
Not really. I thought you were going to get stuck, so I was prepared for that.